Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson today we are going to discuss about 5 aims of management. Before discussion about our topic, at first we try to know about what is management. Management is a process of planning, decision making, organizing, leading, motivation and controlling all human resources of an organization like financial resource, physical resource and information resources of an organization to achieve the common goals and objectives efficiently and effectively. On the other hand, management occupies a central place among all the factors of production. There are other factors of production too, which are money, manpower, materials, machinery and method, which known as the 5 aims of management. So 5 aims of management will be discussed in next slide step by step. Here we see different aims of management, like 5 aims of management are man, money, material, machine and method. 10 aims are management, manpower, machine, material, method, money, minutes, measurement, market, and last one is ministry. 3 aims of management are measure, manage to measure, and make it easy. So, different aims of management are here. Just we'll try to know about basic concept of 5 aims of management in next stage. This is our discussion topic, 5 aims of business management. At first, manpower, that means human resources of an organization. They are the called as capital of the organization. So man is the first and most important aim of management. Here, manpower refers to the managerial and non-managerial personnel employed of an organization. Without these resources, the organization cannot produce different types of goods and services for targeted customers in the market. So, every manager should manage such types of human resources through implementing a different process in the organization. Therefore, human resources mobilize, allocate, and utilize the physical and financial resources of an organization. People make sure materials, machines, minutes, and money are utilized in a productive manner to achieve goals or aims and objective of organization or enterprise. Our another aim is here money. Money is the most critical and all purpose resources because it is used to acquire or hire other resources. In every organization cannot start their activities without money. So without money, no venture or enterprise can motivate workers, get quality and sufficient materials, get the right machines and maintain them, or even ensure that time is properly managed. So money management, when not properly organized, has been the most known factor involved in collapse of enterprise in history. In this case, the quantity and quality of money expended in venture have a direct bearing on the fruitfulness of same over time. In organization, money is employed to generate more money in the form of profit or surplus. Actually, a business firm or enterprise requires money in the form of fixed capital and working capital. Our third aim is here materials. Materials are those products which are utilized for creating the final product. That means Without materials, human resource is made redundant. Thus, every right thinking and right planning organization knows that materials needed for any business or service must be in place before men can be used in any business activities. So, materials represent the physical raw materials and intermediate product, that means semi-finished goods, which are converted and or assembled into finished product with the help of certain process and technology. The flow of materials is an important element of every organization. The fourth aim of management is machinery. Here, machine means all types of equipment and technology of modern era. In this case, machines are used for converting raw materials into finished goods. Besides, machines are the equipment that is used to process the materials into finished or semi-finished product. Employment of modern machinery helps to reduce cost and to improve the quality of output. Here, technology has therefore become an important ingredient in the efficient management of organization. The need for managers to understand the operation of each piece of equipment and tool in a manufacturing plant is obvious, but technology plays an important role in other sectors as well. As example, in a hospital, machines might include medical equipment and electronic health records and other software applications. Whether it's a physical machine or a software application, managers must ensure that it works as expected and that use of the technology is achieving the desired goal. So, modern technology and equipments are essential things of every organization to produce different goods and services for the respected customers of the market. And last point is methods. The method being a way of getting things done definitely does revolve around management. That means the method refers to the normal and prescribed way of doing things. Various operations are performed according to certain system and procedure. In this case, there are several methods a manager can use to get the same thing done. Getting from point A to point B may have 10 different routes. It is a challenge here for a manager to choose the best one among 10 routes. In this case, the best method usually is the one that is cost efficient while meeting the quality standard. As example, if we have to do things in the best and cheapest way, it is also important how the things are processed. That is, by which method the things are processed. The proper method will ensure a required quality, quantity, and in time delivery. It will ensure the accomplishment of management objectives. So, main concept of methods are different process to get different objectives or goals in our desired time, in the specified time that is determined by the organization or the manager of an organization. So these are the different aims of management of an organization. At last we say that different aims of management, that means 5 aims of management, are interlinked and dependent on each other. In order to make a business successful, all the 5 components are needed to utilize to their maximum potential. That's what a manager does. Thank you for your patience in this session with me.